Need a reliable solution for precision slotting and keyway machining? TTMC Slotting Machines are built for precision, stability, and long-term performance. In this video, you'll see the machine in action, from setup to finished parts. The heavy-duty cast-iron construction provides excellent rigidity for stable machining. Designed for machining keyways, internal slots, splines, and other precision features, these machines are suitable for a wide range of industrial applications. The core advantage lies in its ability to economically and efficiently machine various internal vertical slots and formed holes. It is particularly well suited for single-piece production, small batch production, and repair workshop applications. TTMC Slotting Machine maintains its place in the machinery manufacturing field due to its strong versatility, simple tooling, and extremely high cost-effectiveness. The simple controls make operation efficient, while the stable cutting performance helps deliver consistent machining results.